What are you doing?
Feeding the dogs. Here you go. Hurry. Hurry, kitty. It's my new.
There's Cheetos inside.
Alright, so this is the first time I'm trying PolyLite CosPLA. This is specifically made for, you know, cosplay. It's easier to sand, smoother. It's a little different texture, but you're supposed to do it at 30 to 60 millimeters per second at a temperature to 25 to 60. So I tested it on this Wolverine bucket. I got one over there and then that over there. So I'm gonna pull it out and then I'm gonna sand it and see how it looks. Okay, so we're outside now. Little layer lines, but now I'm gonna sand it and see what it looks like. The flat parts came out, I mean, perfect. They look really, really good. But yeah, we're gonna sand it and paint it. See what, see how it looks. It's so funny. Okay, so I have this little tool here. It's about 220 grit sandpaper. I'm gonna go over this and see how it looks. See, so it kind of feels like it's already has the primer filler. Like after you sand and then you spray it with the filler primer, it's kind of how it feels. It's a little soft. But I'm still gonna spray it with the primer filler. But I don't know, we'll see. So real quick, this is a before the sanding and after. This was just the first this thing to 20 grit. So now I have both sides. Now I'm gonna do it with this fine sponge sander. Try to get everything super fine, super fine. I did wet it a little bit because you can kind of squeeze it out, like all the dust and stuff, like a sponge. So it's a little wet sanding. I don't even know if you should primer this stuff because it's kind of like primered already. I think that's the whole point. I'm not sure. I guess that's what we're checking. That's what we're testing, right? So this one did not come out as smooth as the other one, and that's just because I had to go, you know, make a round surface and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go with, oh, it's not there, with 100 grit. We gotta break down these layer lines, smooth it out, and then filler prime it, prime filler, and probably run another pass on this one. With this, I don't think we need to run a pass. I think we just got to primer it and it's good to go. So, fuck. All right. Clean this off, wet it down. What the heck? Let that dry. Clean this off. So I think I got it pretty good. Hopefully the primer, the filler primer, gets it, fills up whatever I need and missed. Those eyes were hard. But let's see what we can do. Wait for that to dry. And now here's your intermission. You too? Look at these little babies. Okay, so since this is part of like the face, this needs to be painted black, so that's why it's like that. So let's do a little filler primer here. See what we got. And then again, we can always sand this too, so anything I miss, anything that's kind of rough. So for this one especially, I kind of want to make it really nice and smooth. I could already see lumpy spots and stuff. I hope I don't have to bond to it. That's gonna suck. All right, so after sanding, I got the 600 and made it super smooth. I kind of re-primered it one more time. I don't know, it's not the best, but I'm gonna just spray it, paint it, see how it looks. This one though, this one came out really good. So I'm gonna do this first, see how it comes out. I'm gonna do gloss black. Oh, Bruno. Okay. Maybe I should, yeah, it's fine. Because this is gonna be black also, so we'll see. All right, we'll let that sit. This one, I'm gonna have to tape up because this needs to be black, that needs to be white, this is yellow, and this is like a peach. This is black also? Yeah, so we'll see. No. What is it?
It's a sunny side up egg with ketchup and cheese.
Oh, burrito?
Yeah, I'm gonna cook it. Just waiting for Dad.
Chris said Warner ended up staying the night.
Did Chris even get some sleep?
Probably a little bit. All right, it's done. I mean, as far as the print and the PLA, that's what I was testing. It came out great, the sanding and everything, but my painting skills on this one was not good. I mean, the spray paint was fine, but when you got to like the little details, it's just a lot of tight spots and creases. But I mean, it's still cool, funny. I liked it. But yeah, hope you guys liked it. Bye.